Hey! In front of me is OPPO RENO 5Z, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this OPPO. You need to begin by locating calendar app and tapping on it. If you never used this app before, you need to select this icon at the bottom right corner of it and select Got It. After that, click on the month above and pick a date by clicking on it. Then you can create your event by tapping over here or selecting this plus icon at the bottom right corner and clicking on Event at the bottom. Now adjust it however you wish to. For example, add a title. You can also choose your email account over here, pick starting hour and ending one. If you don't want to do that, you can always disable this feature as well by clicking on this switcher next to all day. Then click on Does Not Repeat and select one of those options if you wish for your event to repeat, for example, every year. If you don't, just select Does Not Repeat. Now you can add people, videos, and even choose add location. From here, select while using the app or only this time, type in an address and click on the correct one. Then set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before your event, change color of it, and even take notes and add attachments. When you're ready, choose save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully created. In order to make some changes, you can always edit it by tapping on it, clicking on this pen icon at the top right corner, and changing wherever you wish to. To discard your changes, click on the top left corner over here and select discard. To save them, select save. If you wish to get rid of your event completely, you need to click on it again, but this time select those three dots at the top right corner, choose delete over here, and tap on delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!